plywood is much heavier than hardwood.
Oh my God, Tommy!
Then we'll take a little pee. Oh, the do-da-dee. Huh? Take that camera out of me.
Oh, daddy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. I close ang car. I don't have a key. So, good morning, guys. So, ngayon, guys, aalis tayo. Punta tayo sa isang bahay. Meron lang akong kunin sa sasakyan ko. And yun, then paalis kami. Maghakot kami ng mga gamit kung ano man yung mahahakot namin doon sa isang bahay. Yun, 10 o'clock ng umaga, sabi ko, alis tayo ng maaga para makapag, pagdating doon, tingin tayo kung ano yung madadala natin, maghukay pa tayo, ganon. May titignan lang ako sa sasakyan ko. Sasakyan ni Tami yung dadalhin namin. And para din siyang ma-test drive din siya. Hinahanap ko yung hawakan ng GoPro ko. Diba? Yung GoPro natin. Ay, mister. Hindi siya naliligo. Binalik niya yung damit kahapon. Kasi, sinuot lang niya yun. At saka, pagdating doon naman sa isang bahay, lang kami. Hakot, magdig. Dugdug.
Morning, everything, guys.
Good morning, everything, guys. It's nice to drive in a big high car, guys, because it feels like you're higher. Hala, it's a chipmunk, huh? Did you kill the chipmunk?
I did not kill one. That'd be pretty funny.
Don't do that yet.
Yeah.
Don't do that yet, please. Please, Han, can you just?
I got my window wide open. I'll open the sunroof if you like.
No, it's raining. No, it's raining. Leave it alone. Chipmunks, kaya mo ba to? Sinoy kapsan.
Unless you're part of the Polar Bear Club.
What, they like winter? They like summer, winter.
No, but they go out every year in the snow and ice and go for a swim.
Update, guys, dito pa rin kami 30 minutes later, right? 30? Yeah. More than 30 minutes later, dito pa rin kami sa Maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung ilang oras dito sa bahay namin at papunta sa bahay ni Biyenan. Mga 1.5 hour drive. Yun siya.
Bye-bye. You Popeye hungry?
No.
Okay. I gave you the option.
No.
Okay. I just sitting there. No, he was just sitting there.
Slow down.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Tommy. There's a lot of cars here.
Bye-bye. Chicken sandwich is back. Spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay, you go get the thing. That's it, okay?
Yeah. I guess you're staying in the car.
No, I'm not going out. Get your thing. Oh my God, it's traffic. It's a lot of people here, honey.
It is very empty actually. For ShopRite.
This is a lot. So you get the thing, okay? ShopRite, guys. Andito ShopRite. Tommy always wanna stop something. Okay, close the car. Shut it off. Palabas ko lang yung amoy ng sigarilyo. Sabi pa niya, grocery daw siya. And then, meron siyang plano. Gusto niyang magpunta sa Costco. So, ngayon, after dito, Costco naman daw. Dito palagi akong nag-grocery, guys. ShopRite dito talaga palagi. Yeah, sanay na sanay ako dito sa lugar. dito. And oh god, si Tommy talaga mahilig sa ano. Ay, alam nyo kung ano yung bibilhin niya dito, guys? Bird food. So yun yung ano niya, sabi niya bibili tayo ng bird food.
Yeah, take these for the house.
Oh my god, hon. What the heck?
Mice stuff.
How many you get?
8. Put some on the other side. Even the weight.
Ganito guys, kapag siya lang yung mag-grocery, hindi mo samahan, binili. You bought everything.
I put everything. It's everything here, so I can put stuff in the house there.
Hindi talaga siya pwede mag-grocery guys, kasi iwan ko na lang itong asawa ko. Hey. Nakakairita talaga, grabe. Diyan ako noon guys mag-grocery sa Spanish store. Dito ako palagi noon nag-grocery. Ang hirap parking dito. Pero traffic. Punta tayo ng Costco kasi itong isa shopaholic. Look at that. He brushed his hair in his face. I remember me and mother-in-law eat over there. It's a good one. At my Home Depot, Tommy's favorite store over there. And the back of that is Costco. We're not going here. Then it's still a line. Oh my God, look at that.
That's a line for people getting in?
Yes, oh look, oh from the back.
I guess we're not going in here.
No, you cannot go through now.
Yes, I can, right here.
Is it right here? Look, it's a line, guys. What the heck? A lot of people. People are really going? What's up? A lot of people here and it's still line. Saturday.
4th of July weekend coming up.
When? It's not 4th of July thing yet. Hala, there's coming. Saka maraming makuha nito kapag pumasok ito doon. Yung mga 500, 600, kulang pa yan. Kaya, pasalamat ako na maraming tao at hindi kami natuloy. Dami. That was a lot of line, hon.
Yeah.
Nandito na kami, guys. Ang ganda talaga pag may tripod na may lalagyan ka. So, chinichik. Ito yung binili ni Tami na pang trap ng pusa. Nakakaano, guys. Nakakasad mag-trap ng pusa. Dahil, it's siya, sabi pa ni Tami, glue trap. So, scary for the rats because matrap talaga sila buhay pa. So, kaya nakakaano. Like, can you imagine, guys, you trap your one leg. And then they try to do like this. So 2 legs is gonna be there, and then they cannot do
They try, the face gets stuck.
They're gonna be get
It's
twisted.
a horrible thing, but nobody's here, so mice are coming in because there's nobody here.
Don't use your hand, huh? This is a different one. It's still glow. But look, it looks like a witch cat. Honey, that's not a rat. Tomcat.
That's the name of it's a brand.
Ah, it's a
their
tomcat.
logo.
It's like the scary cat, guys. The Tianak. Grabe kas Islang Tianak. And we should be starting what? Digging up. How many traps in one cellophane? 4. So, be careful. The other one is open up already. That one. Dalhin ko to sa bahay, guys. It's a electric cooker. You can do kind of barbecue grilling there. So, what? They are coming here. What time they're coming?
Oh. She doesn't know. She said Andrea said that she was going to come down here. She hadn't called her. She just told her that so that she could make it available. For gluey.
Okay, so where are you gonna put?
Under here.
Oh, under the thing?
Yep.
Oh, we cannot use this anyway.
It's all rusted.
It's just, I like that.
Yeah, but it's a rod. You'll never clean that. It'll look like crap.
That means it's not gonna go back to shiny?
No. Well, I mean, I don't know. We could try it.
Then throw that out. This is real wood, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna paint this and bring it home, okay? Bring that home. Insha. I'm going to paint that. You sure that's real wood? Why is it so light?
Real wood is actually lighter than pressboard. You know that, right?
Really?
Yeah. Like plywood is much heavier than hardwood.
Okay, I'll put this in the car. Hello guys, halukat ako ng mga damit ni Biyenan. Itong kapatid ni Tami, itatapon lahat. Kahit buhay pa si Biyenan, tinatapunan niya yung damit ni Biyenan. So ngayon, palagi kong kinukuha yung kasi sa akin. So ngayon, ang daming gamit doon sa ibabaw, sa bedroom niya. Ang ginawa ko is dalhin ko na lang siya, guys. At saka yung gown na sinuot ni Biyenan na nung kasal namin. Noong kinasal ako, merong si Biyenan gown sinuot. Dalhin ko sa bahay, sabi ko kay Tami, dahil sinuot ito ni Biyenan sa kasal natin, dalhin ko to at i-keep. Kain na lang tayo ng ensaymada. No. Nagutom ako, guys. It's 1:45 already. Naghukay si Tami ng mga gamit. Nilagay ko sa refrigerator. O sa oven. Microwave pala. Para soft siya.
Hello. What's up?
Ito guys, pusiwelo po ito. Itatapon sana ni Tami, sabi ko wag. Kasi pang decoration ito. And alam nyo ba kung bakit dinala ko? Kasi kami ni Biyenan, dalawa nito nagkulik. Galing sa kapitbahay. Yun yung guys. Kung makikita ninyo, blur. Yun yung back, puno. Puno. And aalis na kami. Kausap ni Tami yung kapatid niya. Papunta na siya dito mamaya. Ulan na guys. O, tignan niya. What?
The squirrel was sitting right at the door waiting for me to give him food.
Some of its travel restrictions right now. People arriving in Britain have to self-isolate for 2 weeks.
Dumidilim talaga,
Open up
guys.
the country has been growing, and some of the risks will be assessed based on their prevalence of COVID-19, the reliability of their data.
It's a bad weather. I wear mask because
bright red lipstick is blinding.
Blinding. Is it not good, huh?
Can be on.
What do you think of your car now? It's driving long drive, back and forth.
Driving fine.
It's driving fine?
Yeah.
I have to repeat what you said.
Feels better than it felt before, or at least as good. Well, that shifter was getting a little hard for a couple months.
It's harder?
Yeah, I thought it was all dirt in here and just getting sticky.
It's harder, really?
Yeah.
So you cannot change it?
No, we changed, but it was not easy. Like right.
So maybe that's a problem.
That's what I'm saying. That switch is probably go bad for months.
So now it's okay?
Yeah.
We have a bunch of things to do when we get home. And so ngayon, andito siya, punta lang daw siya sa grocery store na naman kasi hindi siya happy kapag hindi makapunta sa grocery store. Yan, shop right over there. I told you guys, he will be like forever, Emin. He just wanna get cold cuts. And what is wrong with you?
What?
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
I don't know daw sabi niya. Oh my God, Tommy! Holy shit. No, but what happened? Why is it become 2 bags?
Well,
Haraka!
and I went and I walked by the meat section to get the lamb, and I didn't see lamb, so I got chicken thighs. So I'll get chicken thighs.
You're sliding, Misty. She's sliding. Come here, let's go. You're sliding. Come here. Oh, what is that? Ito yung binili niya, guys. For some reason, he has a visitors. The visitors is a stomach worm. Stomach worm and the brain worm. This bread, like bread, burger, and chicken, and salmon, and more freaking chicken here. Oh my God!
That's gonna take a little time.
Huh?
I'll have my sandwich first.
Oh, what do you want?
Whatever he's up to, I know food is
Oh, baby, love ni Mama. Adush. Tignan niyo to. You think we are not coming back? You think? You think?
Did I say you could have any food there, little man? No, what did not.
Dada sabi something. What do you, Dada, want? Look, you know we're gonna go out this way, and you know we almost there. Roxy, come here. You know we went almost there. We went to Grandma's house. Tapos na ako sa binili ni Tami na salmon, guys. Minarinate ko lang siya. Nilagyan ko lang soy, soka, at saka oil. And then paminta, garlic and onion powder. Sarap.
We're going to take a okie do-da. Then we'll take a little pee, do-da-dee. Huh? Take that camera out of me.
Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy.
Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Hi!
Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy.
Keep up. People are going to be able to see the inside of your ears with that camera.
Oh, daddy. So anyway, guys, kakain lang kami, guys, and then mag-relax, and that's it. And I'm going to thank you so much, guys, for watching, for clicking the video. And what, you wanna say something? We're gonna end the
Bye,
vlog.
guys.
Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy our craziness and this craziness. Great. Bye, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Ken! Little man! Little.
Keep cooling it.
They're going because they're not really hungry.
Say bye now, Han.
Tell me you're hungry for dinner.
Say bye, love.
Bye, guys.
Never ending.